Are you tired of going through the motions in your relationship but wanting something more? Women tell me this all the time. They're feeling exhausted, tired, feel like they've tried everything to make their relationship something more fulfilling, something that they really want. Hi, I'm Jessica Rosen, registered psychologist and relationship weaver. And I'm here to tell you that it's not too late. It's not too difficult, that it really is possible. It's not only just a fantasy that we see in the movies, that you really can experience the relationship that you really want. Join me for my one-day workshop, June 5th, where I'm going to take you through all the things that I've learned as a registered psychologist, as well as my own relationship experience. I'm going to break it down into easy to understand steps that you can follow so that you're able to experience the wildly exciting and really connecting sort of relationship that you're truly desiring. You deserve it. Click the link below and join me for my one-day workshop, June 5th.